Hello there! It's me again, Julie. So ngayon, tuturuan ko naman kayo how to do an Excel hack. So we have here on the screen, I have prepared here a list of names and list of departments. So ang gagawin lang natin ngayon is i-count natin kung ilang names ba ang nasa finance department, accounting department, and so on down to HR department. So if you have a lot of list names and department names. Ngayon, if i-count mo yan ng paisa-isa, like for example, bibilangin mo dito hanggang sa pinakababa, pinakadulo ng listahan mo, it will really take you or it will really consume you a lot of time if you do that. But, para gawin natin yan, para malesen natin yung time or para mas mapabilis yung ating gagawin, all we have to do is to use a a formula, Excel formula. So we have here sa ating column D and column D, we have here the list of department names. So we have the finance, accounting, encoder, staff, sales, and HR. So para mabilang natin yung count ng mga department na to, all we have to do is to use a formula ng count ifs since we will be counting. Then, lagyan natin ng open parentheses. Then, dito sa department na column, ida-drag lang natin yan hanggang sa pinakadulo. And then, lagyan natin ng comma. And then, dito sa department name, pili tayo dito ng isa sa pinakataas. Sa finance, then, click enter. There you go. So, we have a count of 4 sa ating finance department. So, let's check if tama ba ang counting ni Excel formula. So, tignan natin. Finance, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, tama ang naging counting ni Excel formula. So, para naman dito sa natitira nating department name, all we have to do is, yan, pag yung cursor natin, ito yung cursor, pag naging ganyan na siya na plus icon, all we have to do is double click it. Alright, so there you go. So, ito na ngayon ang counting ng ating ibang department. So, ganyan lang kadali ang paggawa or pagbilang sa ating Excel spreadsheets. Alright, thank you for watching!